Digital health and healthcare is the ability of patients to really connect with the healthcare team and the tools that they use to be able to connect with the healthcare team. And that empowers them to really take ownership of their health. And not just as patients, but as caretakers, as family members, you're now able to be part of that care team for your loved one. And we're really at a turning point for healthcare and the ability of our records to be digitalized. Here at Memorial, we have Memorial MyChart, and that is our health portal. If you visit a Memorial physician, if you visit one of our hospitals, you have access to your records, your lab results, your radiology results, your mammogram results. You're also able to message your physicians. You can electronically communicate with that physician, request refills, ask simple questions. You can schedule an appointment. You can pay your bill. You can check in without having to wait in the doctor's office and fill out a lot of papers. You also have the ability to share that record with another provider who might be in a different organization.
We have well over 100,000 patients live within MyChart. What patients say is, this is a game changer. This allowed me to understand my health.
A lot of patients today have fitness wearables, and they're able to download information, glucose monitoring information. They're able to download it directly to their record. So now they're sharing information about themselves. They're able to access information, and it helps the providers to really care for that patient, not just during that episode of care, but throughout, and intervene much quicker. If they see that the blood pressure, the heart rate, or the weight is out of flux, they can directly connect with that patient in a much more real time.
MyChart Bedside is a tool that is used by patients when they're admitted in the hospital. It gives them access to the results as they're coming in. So if they just had lab tests that morning, as they're resulted, they're available to the patients and their families on a bedside tablet. In addition to seeing results, there's access to patient education.
We're able to provide our patients with a transparency website where they're able to access information about prices for different procedures, for their mammogram, for their chest x-ray, for routine lab work. It's also about the quality of care that they're receiving. We want to let patients know what our typical waiting times are. The surveys that are conducted after a patient's visit, we want to let them know what the average response is and what the response is for our patients that visit with our healthcare system.
MemorialDocNow is an application that you can download on your phone, on your iPad, or even your PC to see a doctor 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Good morning, William. What's the onset of your illnesses?
The entire visit itself can be done within 15 minutes. And the best part of it is that at the end of the visit, if you need to have a prescription is sent electronically to your pharmacy of choice.
Hold the phone towards your mouth and just open your mouth for me a second.
Having that convenience factor will increase your chances for staying healthy. In almost 2 years, we've seen about 10,000 patients using this app. We have hit 94% patient satisfaction. Patients want it.
I see a lot of progression with regards to wearables that are going to become much easier for patients to monitor their results, their diagnoses. I also see artificial intelligence as playing a role, as well as even robotic companions for patients. And having that technology, being able to develop that type of technology is an incredible feeling of being able to progress healthcare to the next level.